Today I ordered materials for two new costumes. The first is Amulet Heart Amou from Shugochara. This one, once the package gets here, I should have everything for it, so I can just completely finish the costume. And then I also ordered some material for Halloween Rei from Evangelion, though this one I only ordered some of the materials for it, so I'm not going to have everything on hand, but I can at least get started. So I laid out the fabric for Rei. I bought this during Black Friday last year, and unfortunately there is not enough. So I was playing with the pattern placement, and I can squeeze out the skirt, the bodice, and the hatband, but there is not enough for the ruffles. So I'm going to have to make a couple creative changes to the design since I cannot get any more of this material. I got the pieces for Rei cut out, started assembling them, realized I didn't have a zipper, and since I kind of need to use that early on since it's in the side seam, that is just getting put in the stuff to be put on hold, and switched gears and worked on Amou. So I made a mock-up. This side is the one with all the alterations, this side is the original, but I think I have it pretty much where I want it to go, so now I can get started on making the actual costume. I got all of the bodice pieces for Amou cut out and started assembling it, and then ran out of pink thread. So thankfully I did order more pink thread when I ordered the rest of the Amou supplies, but that does mean that I'm not going to get as much done this weekend as I had hoped to. So it's been about a week since I last filmed, and the supplies for Amou came in, sort of. The elastic got canceled, which I'm not surprised at all, but unfortunately they sent the wrong zipper, and when I reached out to customer service they said they would refund it, which is great, except I'm still out of the zipper, so gonna have to figure out what I want to do for the bodice of the costume. But I did get the neck ribbon, the skirt, and the pom-poms done, so it's starting to look like Amou, and it's coming along pretty well. I'm sorry, I have been absolutely terrible about remembering to pick up the camera and make progress updates for this month. But hey, as you can see, Amou is done. All the parts are completed, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out despite all of the many setbacks, as you've heard previously. I ended up just using a white zipper from my stash since it would have been too much of a hassle to try and reorder a pink one, but I think it still turned out pretty well. It is very early 2000s magical girl, which is fun in and of itself. And since it's now July, I should be ending this video and starting a new one. So hopefully next month I will be a bit better about remembering to film, and for those of you who did watch through all of this, thank you so much!